Good morning. Let me introduce you my new solar panels or journey towards the energy independence. So, here are the three panels. Let me walk through. Here are the three panels lined up. You can see. Let me switch to the back camera. Yeah. So, these are the three panels installed here. So, each one of them is 50 watts each. So, 50 into 3, it is 150 watt of total power, peak power, and in a day I could generate about 0.7 units. So monthly it is about 21 units. And right now I don't have a structure, but I'm planning to make a structure for this so that I can raise them a little bit, and also I can make the angle proper, because for this location latitude is 14 degrees, so I should put my panel at 14-degree angle, right? North should be up, south should be down. So I'm going to do that, and it will definitely increase a little bit of production.